This video is brought to you by Privacy VPN. Hi guys, this is Young and today I'm bag rich because today I want to tell you guys what I really have in my bag. So this is What's in My Bag series for 2022 with new gears, new bags to really show you what I really carry to make all these YouTube videos happen. First, let's start with the minimalist bag. This is my minimalist bag. It is actually a sling bag and I realized how comfortable sling bags are. So in my PGYTECH Onego bag, I can just quickly unzip and this is actually all I'm carrying. There's still plenty of room. So the first is Rode Wireless Go 2. What I really like about it is it can make it record internally within the transmitter. So I can just stick it on and later add the sound onto my video editing to make the complete YouTube video. Super handy. I love Rode Wireless Go 2. And what else is inside the bag? Still plenty of room, but I just like to keep it super simple. A mobile phone. If I want to go super minimalist, then all I'm bringing is my mobile phone to actually shoot the entire videos. And my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is still going strong because in S10 Plus, I still enjoy 512 gigabytes internal storage. And I can also add in the external storage if I want to, but I actually don't. But you still get the mic jack. And I enjoy the dual SIM card. Perfect. And what's the third item and the final item in my minimalist setup in this Onego solo bag? And it is the PGYTECH Mantis Pod. Mantis Pod, I love it because even with mobile phone, if I stretch it out, you have another arm, like double arm's length. It can also take in the Sony Alpha 6400 and it can be placed in almost any environment. You can sort of hang it as well on a fence and you can get a variety of angle shot as well. Really reliable. The material is absolutely sturdy. So that was that with my Onego sling bag. I'll just put back in the microphone here because there are plenty of space. The Onego Solo sling bag, that was my minimalist setup. I really like it because I feel it is super safe right in front of me, especially if I'm gonna go overseas traveling. Hopefully sometimes this year, then this sling bag can even hold my passport super safe. And when you're going on an overseas travel, what else needs to be safe? The internet browser. And with that, I want to introduce you guys to Privacy VPN, the sponsor of this video. There are many VPN services out there, however, none of them are as reliable and fast and affordable than Privacy VPN. So I've done a lot of Google research to find if there are anything as affordable as Privacy VPN. And right now they have up to 80% off, which means you only pay less than $2 per month to get one of the best VPNs out there, plus the premium password manager for free. This is literally the best VPN offer on the planet right now. With Privacy VPN, you can protect your online identity and it'll be so useful, especially if you're traveling abroad using different networks out there. But if you prefer to stay at home, then Privacy VPN will be very useful to unlock any geo-restricted contents. For me, I sometimes like watching the HBO shows which are not available here. And with Privacy VPN, you can unlock the geo-restricted contents and enjoy shows that are not offered in your region. So if you fancy to go something outside of Netflix, then you can go for Disney+, Hulu, HBO, Amazon Prime, whatever that you fancy that are not yet available in your region. And Privacy VPN supports all the major platforms out there, including even Xbox. So with Privacy VPN, you get your data protected and confidential. So if you guys want to grab the special deal and 30-day money back guaranteed, if you don't like it, then please click the link down below for more info. So now let's move from the minimalist to the mobile phone maximalist YouTube setup. Then I usually carry the Zhiyun Smooth 5. This is a full-on mobile phone gimbal, and what I do like is that when products come in its proper bag, so that I don't have to worry about, pushing it to any other bags out there. When I was filming GV60, the new electric vehicle from Hyundai, I was actually using my mobile phone on Zhiyun Smooth 5 to get some smooth shot, especially when I was following the car from behind or front to get that beautiful shot of the latest EV. So why was I using my mobile phone? Because it was damn freezing below -10 degrees, and what happens with my Sony Alpha 6400? It does freeze, whereas my Samsung mobile phone, it is very strong even in the freezing weather. That's why I was using this, so that was my setup for GV60. But now let me go a little heavier. So in my PGYTECH 6-liter shoulder bag, what I have is the drone. So recently I filmed some beautiful shots of the drone with my Mavic Air 2. I was thinking about, upgrading to Mavic Air 2S and so on. However, I really feel like Air 2 is totally enough. And after already spending more than $1,000 on this, I was like, what the heck, just keep this. So in my 6-liter shoulder bag from PGYTECH, I can actually carry all this, and plus my mobile phone, or actually I do have my Sony Alpha 6400 inside here as well. The dividers in this PGYTECH bags, they are really useful. However, sometimes, I'm a little bit lazy to move around because already the sides have really good cushion. So I tend to just shove everything inside the bag in whatever order. So 6-liter is definitely better for my size. Even when I do fill up this 6-liter, I find that actually the weight of it is manageable, and it comes with the padded shoulder, so it is definitely easy on my shoulder. Okay, now onto the Maximalist bag, the shoulder bag 10 liter, so I can carry about 10 liter worth of stuff. For example, recently I went out to film PowerVision S1, so I wanted to carry the bag as well, the box as well. So it actually fit the box as well, so absolutely huge space. And also I carry the actual PowerVision S1 because it does have the external charger. You can actually charge my mobile phone wirelessly, and also you can have the cable to charge any other products that you need charging. Because when I'm outside filming, often I'm outside for at least 4 hours, usually 5-6 hours to actually make this whole YouTube video happen. And inside the divider, actually I don't really carry the zoom lens because there are many other things that I pack, such as my Sony Alpha 6400, which I'm using to film currently. So instead I just, put the zoom lens as a reference point. I also carry the reliable tripod, the Mantis Pod. And also in these little goodie bags, I do have my Insta360 Go 2. This is 64GB version, which I love. So many videos about it in my YouTube channel. And in this hard shell case, very useful for sunglasses. But actually I just wear my sunglasses most of the time, so I don't really need hard shell, but it's definitely good for battery, SD cards, and so on. Oh, and lastly, inside this box, I also have this lavalier 2. This is the latest lav mic from Rode. So this is an upgraded version from what I'm using right now. So in the summertime, especially when I'm wearing something light, rather than having the square tagging on my blouse and so on, I will be using lav mic from Rode. So I find that 10 liter really useful because here you can actually have a decent size. Don't go for a massive water bottle, but if you get medium size, small size water bottle, then you can have it at the side. With 10 liter shoulder bag and also 6 liter shoulder bag, I am carrying my tripod. This is actually a small version. This is for mobile phone, but my real tripod, which I'm using right now, is much bigger than that. But there is a little, I wouldn't say drawback, but something that I've noticed is that when I actually have the full setup in this 10 liter bag, I do find the weight of it actually really heavy for me. So shoulder bag would be more handy when I'm driving rather than riding bicycle because it is a little heavy. And also the length of 10 liter shoulder bag, it is a little bit long for me, so I actually tied it at the side. So once it's tied, the length of it is perfect for me. Then this is the full length, and this should not actually be a problem. Even for me, it's fine, but I just ride bike a lot. That's why I tie it up a little bit. But of course, when you're riding bicycle, the best thing would be a backpack. I am still using the backpack that I bought, I think probably 4 years ago by now. However, with the shoulder bag, what I really like is you can actually full on open it up. So it's much sort of easier access. Really useful when you're filming YouTube videos because you really want to, you know, get your hands in and out of different products as you need. So that was what's in my bag 2022. I have to say some, you know, products are new. However, some other products such as my drone, mobile phone, and even my good old main camera, Sony Alpha 6400, which is sort of showing signs of aging lately. However, still going strong. So I guess, you know, you don't always have to buy new things, but you can still make most out of the older technologies as well. However, I'll definitely come back with some new technologies and reviews on different gadgets out there. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also don't forget to check out the iVC VPN as well as the links to other products that I've shown you today. And I'll come back with other interesting videos, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!